Welcome guys. So we have seen how we can use data provider in the same class. Now we'll see how we can use data provider from the different class. Okay, so let's create one data provider class where I will keep the data provider class test. Simple. So I have created one class. Here I will keep the data provider. So I'll just take this data provider. Okay, I'll keep here. Perfect. So now my data provider will be there in the different class. So let's import this, remove this. Now if I'll try to execute this, let's see what will happen. So yes, I'm getting fail because it is not able to argument. It is telling method void test data dot this some exception. Okay, TestNg exception you will be getting. Test is getting skipped because my data provider is not able to provide these data to a different class. So now I have a data provider into the different class and a test script into the different class, which will be in a real-time case. Okay, so we'll be always writing the data provider into the separate class, and we'll integrate with the Excel file, and this all data will be there in the Excel sheet, multiple data set, and this will be pushing into the different class. So we'll see how we can use this data provider into the different classes. So for that you don't have to worry, just you have to put a extra parameter here called data provider class. So just see, data provider class is equal to, you have to give the data provider class name, which we will be using this one. So what is the data provider class name? So whatever class, in which class you have kept your data method which is running the data, I'll keep that class. From which class you want the data provider? So this class dot class. That's all you have to do. Now if I run this, so we will see the output. Perfect. So it executed successfully, right? You'll see the three set of data: Pankaj 1 pass 1, Pankaj 2 pass 2, Pankaj 3 pass 3. Okay, so now I'm using this data provider or this test data from the different class. Okay, so like that, if we have multiple classes, so only one logic I'll write to get the data from Excel sheet, and I'll connect with that. Okay, so as of now I have hard coded. Okay, so this data I'll just pushing into the different classes. So this is how it will work. So in the same case, in real time, if you want how to log in into how we can use this in real time, I'll just show you after this session. So now we'll be testing multiple cases. Okay, so we can have multiple multiple data provider. So this is login. Okay, I can write one more data provider which will be for something sign up. Okay, sign up. Okay, which will return get data 2. Okay, so accordingly I can pass here, and I can change the name here. I can pass this name, sign up. Okay, if I'll pass sign up, so this data will be coming from sign up. So like that, n number of things we can achieve using data provider. Okay, now let's see how we can use this data provider in real time in Selenium. Okay, you can use this data provider in API testing, or load testing, or you can say that in UI testing using Selenium. So let's see in the next session how we can achieve. Okay, so that's all about this session, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.